I tell people all the time we sell smiles, and so one of the first things we do is we make sure that if they don't have a great smile, we're making sure that we produce that for them. And our staff smiles a lot. They're friendly. They smile because they're happy and are enjoying working here. You know, our motto is we love to make you smile, and we really do. I mean, we have fun here. We work hard, but we enjoy doing it. The technology is incredible. What we have to work with now versus when we started, and the materials are so much better versus some of the older materials that we had to work with. It just we're not as durable, and certainly we're not as cosmetically enhancing back then. And we have so many newer materials that are cosmetic, that are tooth colored, that just fit the smile. The materials we have also with all porcelain crowns versus how we used to add metal to the crowns to make them strong enough. The materials now are so strong we can do it all porcelain, which basically duplicates the look of the tooth that we're replacing, or a portion of the tooth that we're replacing, and it creates really a beautiful matchup and a beautiful final look. Well, whitening is always a huge request, and we do a lot of whitening. We have a very successful program with our whitening unit in office, where we're using a lighting technique that enhances the whitening material that we're using, and it just makes it more effective and makes it work quicker with more intensity. I think patients get a sense of the fact that we genuinely care about them, and we strive to make a stressful situation easier. We do our best to be gentle and take good care of them there, and concerned about making sure that they're comfortable in the chair. Our staff is extremely friendly and accommodating, and it's a tough environment, you know, for a lot of people coming in the dental office, and we try to make it easier for them, and we really genuinely work hard to make it an easier, less stressful situation. We're a general dental practice, but we love to see kids, and we see a lot of kids, and we love to see kids, you know, preferably when those first baby teeth are coming in. We like to see those kids then. Let us see how the development goes. We'll see children under 3 years old as a courtesy, just do examinations and make sure everything is developing well, and make sure they're doing well. If they'll let us take x-rays and clean teeth, we do that also. And again, that's all a courtesy for kids under 3 years old. And if they start that regimen with every 6 months coming in for a checkup like that, by the time they're 6 or 7 or 8 years old and finally need a tooth maybe removed, or a baby tooth removed, or treatment done, a filling, they trust us, they're comfortable with us, they've been here before when it's not painful, it's an easy situation, it's a simple checkup, and it's easy for the children, and it's fun for them, and it makes it a lot easier for them. So we have a lot of kids in our practice, and we see a lot of kids. Kevin has 5 kids, I have 4 kids, so we're around kids a lot, and we're used to it, and we enjoy treating kids. Apple Dental, we love to make you smile.